it's like these programs want me to lose my shit in making better art. Okay, so for those of you who may have had problems when it comes to viewing their own color on Blender, so I have been like scrolling. I swear to God, I have been nothing but like scrolling on tutorials of how to view your color in solid mode on Blender. And all these guys, as nice as they've tried, I'm losing my shit of how these people are not getting the fucking message. This is how it works. Bitch. You see this? You see this? Already. Like you click new? Okay? 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 And then these guys come and tell me about how I gotta go on materials, click new, and like diffuse. And I can't see blue. I see red. I don't see blue. I see red. Not blue, red. Not purple, red. This is the perfect way for you to finally not have to die to going into texture. Because here's the problem in texture for some of these fucks that don't understand the message. We need a lamp to see texture. And then we need camera and shit. We need to be on texture. The problem is we don't want texture. We want solid. But we can't see that though. We can't see that. So what we do is very simple. Very simple. Wallah al-azim. Very simple. استنوا. Listen. This is what happens, okay? Start fresh. X. I'll even go back to new. Real quick. Okay? Literally. That's all you gotta do. Okay? You go on Metcap. Metcap. Okay? Metcap. Then you go to the material section, click new. Okay? I'm gonna make this green. Let's see. Bas. This is all I needed. That was all I was asking. For somebody to tell me to go on Metcap, turn off that shit that Blender keeps leaving on to make you lose your shit till you discover it yourself. Bas. That's all I wanted. What was so hard? Thank you, everyone. Masalama.